Hi everyone, I'm Shelley Brown, the Senior Fashion and Beauty Editor at The Knot, and today on Out of the Box, we'll be looking at 3 different makeup subscription boxes to see what's out there in mail order beauty. These can make a great gift for yourself, a recently engaged friend, or your bridal party. Let's see what's out there. What is this lovely Amazon bag? That was helpful. Oh, no, this is the packaging. We have Try Beauty's mystery lipstick box. I have no idea what's inside, but I can guess that it's probably lipstick based. This box is $25 and it's a great way to surprise yourself, a friend. You can give it as a holiday gift, or it's perfect for an engagement or bachelorette party. So inside it looks like we have 5 different lipstick products, and the amazing thing about this is that they're all full size. So if you subscribe to a lot of beauty boxes, you know that this is a rarity, so super excited to see what these lipsticks have in store. So our first lipstick is from the brand Pure, and it's a 4-in-1 lip duo. So it comes with a matte lip color and a corresponding lip oil. So this is great because if you wear a lot of matte lip colors, you know that they can be extremely drying. So the lip oil keeps your lips hydrated all day long, though the color will stay put because matte formulas tend to be long wear. So our next lip product is from LA Splash, and it's the Sinfully Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss. If you know that the early aughts are back, you also know that lip gloss is having a serious moment, and this one comes with a super pretty sheer pink color that's universally flattering. Okay, so our next lip color is from SUVA Beauty, and it's a glossy lamination liquid lipstick. So it comes in this really pretty, flattering mauve shade, and this is a great hybrid between a lip gloss and a lipstick. So if you want the color saturation of a lipstick, but you want the shine of a gloss, this is a great product for you. Our next product is from ColourPop, and it's a Lippie Stix, and it's in this very beautiful and dramatic deep shade. So this is a great nude actually if you have a deep skin tone, or if you're looking to go a little bit vampy and you have a lighter skin tone, this creates a really beautiful contrast with lighter skin. So last but not least, we have a lip color from SOLA Beauty, and it's called Brendan, Dylan, and Kelly. It is 90210 themed. And what I love about this is, as you can see, I am a lover of red lipstick, is it is this really beautiful, creamy red that is great if you're going for a statement lip on your day, or you're just looking to mix it up on your bachelorette party or even at your bridal shower. I really enjoyed discovering this mystery lip box from Try Beauty. There was a great variety of shades, and also who doesn't love full-size products in subscription boxes? And if you do subscribe to the box, the brand uses female-owned brands as well as up-and-coming indie brands, so you can discover the next hot thing. Our next box is from the brand Petit Vour, and it's the limited edition vegan makeup starter kit. It's $35, it's a one-time box, and it comes with 4 luxurious travel and full-size items. And the cool thing about this box is that it's vegan, cruelty-free, and non-toxic. You get to pick your favorite shades and colors, and it comes with concealer, lip, cheek, eyeliner, and mascara options. And you can also choose from a selection of curated boxes like this one. So first off, we have a mascara from Pacifica Beauty, and this is the Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. So as you know, the eyes are the window to the soul. So it's very important to have a reliable mascara that can really give your lashes the length and thickness that you're looking for. And the great thing about a mineral mascara is that it's clean, so it won't irritate your eyes if you have sensitive eyes. Next, we have an all-natural concealer from Han Beauty. And again, if this is not your right shade, with the vegan starter kit, you can customize your shades. So we all know that concealer is an essential because it opens up your eyes and also makes sure to cover up any blemishes you may have. Next, we have an eyeliner by Anston Beauty. This is a longwear waterproof black eyeliner, which is super essential for your wedding day when you're going to be wearing your makeup for hours at a time. And also, if you get super emotional during your vows, you don't have to worry about your makeup running if you happen to tear up. Last, we have this lip and cheek pod from Denora Beauty. The great thing about this is that it's a multitasker, so you can use it both on your lips and your cheeks just to give yourself a really gorgeous bridal glow. So what's great about this box is that it's ethical beauty, so everything is cruelty-free. And if you're going to subscribe, you can create a beauty profile so you know that all of the products you receive will be customized to you. Next up is the bag from Ipsy, and this is the mystery bag. So this bag is $14.99, and each bag for every month has some sort of theme. So for example, this month's bag is a mix of 5 favorites made for spring. So this comes in a pattern bag, and you can never have too many makeup bags to store all of your essentials. So our first product is this HUDA Beauty Lip Strobe. So this is a super pretty shimmery lip color. It's pretty sheer, but you can layer it on if you're going for a more dramatic day to night look. So next is In Transit Camera Close-Up from the brand This Works. This is a priming moisturizer in one. So primer is definitely essential for your wedding day. You wanna make sure that your makeup stays in place. And this is a nice little sample size so you can test drive it before your day. So next we have a lightweight cleansing cream from the brand REGIMEN, and this takes off your makeup and also your SPF. So we know how important it is to wear SPF every day to protect your skin from the sun, and this makes sure that everything comes off at the end of the day so you can go to bed with a fresh face. Next we have this super soft eyeshadow brush. This is a great versatile brush. You can use it in the corners of your eyes if you're using a lighter color to blend. You can never have too many amazing makeup brushes. And last we have a waterfall moisture and shine lotion for your hair from R & Co. So this is great. You just put this on your wet hair right out of the shower and you can let your hair air dry and it gives it a nice glossy finish. What's great about the Ipsy bag is that it's based on a beauty quiz. So you fill out an entire questionnaire about your skin tone, your eye color, your hair color, your experience with makeup, and how often you wear certain products, as well as your favorite makeup colors. So it's a super personalized experience. Petit Vour is a great option if you're really concerned with buying products that are ethical, clean, and non-toxic, whereas Tribe is amazing because it's female-owned and operated, and it will help you discover up-and-coming brands you may not be familiar with. And if you're on a budget and you're looking for a wide variety of products, Ipsy is the box for you. Well, there you have it, samplings from 3 companies ready to help you find your new faves in makeup. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to The Knot for more product deep dives, and I'll catch you next time.